My parents sold their house and now their Social Security got cut in half. What happened? Well, it wasn't Social Security that penalized your parents. It was Medicare. When you sell a house, after you take your exemptions, whatever's left is capital gains, which is taxable income. And Medicare, how much they charge you for Medicare Part B is based on your modified adjusted gross income from 2 years ago. So if 2 years ago you sold your house and you realized $50,000 of capital gains, and now the government thinks you're rich because as a couple you made over $206,000 that year, they're going to charge you more for Medicare Part B. And this year, 2024, the average American pays $174 a month for Medicare Part B. Now, if you're low income, your state might pay it for you. And if you're high income, you're going to pay more than $174, sometimes a lot more. If you're already on Social Security, then the agencies all just talk to each other and they start taking it out of your Social Security. So your parents got their Social Security statement and they saw, oops, my Medicare Part B went way up. Most people don't read their statements. They just call me and they say, hey, why did my Social Security get cut off? So if your Social Security check fluctuates, go read your statement, go log into your account. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free at socialsecurity.gov. So you can see what is going on, what penalties you're being charged, what surcharges for IRMA you're being charged. It's all right there on your Social Security statement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.